Now we are going to check what are the different types of the templates available in a brochure. Okay, for example, you are running a business, you like to get all products in a one brochure, colorful brochure, and you like printed that one to distribute among your clients. At that particular time, you can go to create design, just type okay brochure here. You can select the different types of the brochures are there. You select the general one. Okay, here you can see three segment brochure we has been selected. Okay, here different type of the templates you have. Okay, you can use any of the template. Everything will be having a two page because one is a front page, one is a back side. Okay, for example, you are creating any menu or anything like that. For example, sales brochure you are creating. Then select see all here in templates and you can select based on your requirement. Okay, you can select the design which suits you most. You have to select that one. For example, this particular brochure suits me. I will select that one, apply both pages, so that two pages will be created by default here. Okay, two pages has been created. Okay, you can see these are the sometime when you click on that particular way, you got a remove watermark, in the sense you need to pay, so we can delete that one to download it for a free of cost. For example, these two if I delete, you can download without paying anything. Okay, if it is there, you need to pay for that one. Again, you can give your contact details here. Double click and just write it down, your contact information. Okay, then you can go to your name and what you are doing here, and you can give the brief introduction about your company. Here you can replace this image with your own image also. Okay, if you have any specific image, if you already stored in a Google Drive, in upload, if you already stored in a Google Drive, then it will be shown here, or here in more option, Google Drive. Okay, here it will be shown. You can utilize those images for your brochure also. And here also you can change the image, as well as you can change what you are doing, and what any code you would like to give, you can give the code here. Just double click and write it down. Okay, then what are the things you are doing, what are the products you have, you can list it how here, and you can give your contact name. Okay, like this you can create your brochure very easily by using this particular option. So you can fold it into a three, right? This is one fold, second fold, third fold. Like this you can fold it into a three section. Okay, yeah, like you can, whenever you are sharing this particular brochure with any of your clients where you have gone to exhibition and all, that particular time it will helpful. Similarly, we have a many templates here. You can utilize any templates and you can modify each and everything in a template. That is the best part of the Canva. The only thing is you have to practice again. Once you have been open and you start practicing, like deleting this particular image, okay, then it will become a section. Here section is introduced. Here in this particular image also section is there. So you like to take some images into a section, go to your drive, whatever the images you have, you can take it into that particular section. Like this you can take it, click and drag, so that you can take it into that particular section. You can modify each and everything in a brochure. If you like to create your own, then add, and you can create your own by select. Okay, place your cell, and it will take some more time. If you are designing your own, again we have to go to text. Okay, to add a text, for example, I would like to add this type of the text. Added, resize again, corner and select. I will say like this. Okay, like this we can create your own brochure also. Okay, only thing is you have to practice again. The thing is here we can use any photos, okay, which you already stored here. If you have anything specific, you can upload also here. And you like to use any elements, you can use any of the elements, for example sections, all these things. Shapes you can use, okay, here. Color of the shape you can change, okay. If you like to take that shape forward, right click and bring forward, like this you can. If you like to bring backward, send backward, right click and use this one to delete, copy, or to back, send it back, or bring it front. Okay, you can use any type of the shape, and you can change that size, corner to resize, this corner to resize, like this you can change the any of the shapes also. Like this we can utilize all the available tools in a Canva to change the background. We already learned how to change the background. Okay, like this you can change the background also. Any background you can apply for your selected design. It will not be applied to each and everywhere. Only for the selected design, selected page it will be applied. Okay, this way we can create a one brochure, or we can say a hand tool for your business.